Pablo, yung pangalan ko kasi is John Paulo. Eh, ang gusto kong pangalan sana niya, Juan Pablo. So, parang tinagalog lang. Kaso ayaw niya yung Juan. Kasi baka ibuli daw na Juan Taman. So, naghanap kami ng alternative na meaning is Juan pa rin, pero naging Joaquin. So, yun, Joaquin Pablo.
Look at how the colors dance around.
Happy birthday, Pablo!
Give it all away for free, and would it even matter?
Happy birthday, Pablo!
Need it. Don't need anything but don't want anything but
Hi Pablo, happy first birthday to you. Apo, lagi kang magpakabait. Paglaki mo, maging masunurin sa iyong mama at papa. Siyempre, may takot sa Diyos.
Happy birthday, Pablo! We love you!
rescue me, 'cause all I need is everything I need.
Hi Pablo, malaki. Ngayon maliit ka pa lang. So, ang message namin sa iyo Pablo, sana lumaki kang mabuting tao at mag-aaral ka ng mabuti at lagi mong susundin ang mama mo, kami.
Don't need anything but don't want anything but come and let it rescue me, 'cause all I need is don't need anything but come and let it rescue me, 'cause all I need is
Happy birthday Pablo! We love you! Sobrang saya. Lalo nung nakita ko siya kasi matagal na niyang
Tagal kong hinintay ni Pablo. Sobrang worth it.
and I won't go back to sleep again, 'cause I know that today
Happy birthday, Pablo!
best day. Today will be the best day.
Happy birthday, Pablo. Sana maging lagi kang healthy at mabait. Diba?
Happy birthday! We love you!
The best day. Today will be the best day. Today will be the best day. I hope this day will never.
Ang pangako ko kay Pablo na
'Cause I know that
hanggang sa maliit, hanggang paglaki, nandito lang kami ng mama mo. Pangako ko sa iyo, Pablo, na lagi ka namin aalagaan, suportahan ka namin sa mga gusto mo, at ibibigay namin lahat ng makakaya namin para sa iyo.